Casement window installation in Houston, Texas, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a variety of casement windows, Houston styles available, including vinyl casement windows, aluminum casement windows, and wooden casement windows, residents can find the perfect match for their home design. Casement window experts in Houston offer custom casement windows tailored to fit any architectural style, ensuring a seamless integration with existing structures. Energy-efficient casement windows. Houston are designed to reduce energy costs while providing superior insulation. These windows are an excellent investment for those looking to improve their home's energy efficiency. Casement window contractors in Houston specialize in installing these energy-efficient options, ensuring that each window is properly sealed and fitted to maximize performance. Casement window upgrades can significantly enhance the comfort and value of any home. For those in need of casement window replacement in Houston, there are numerous casement window solutions available. Whether dealing with broken hardware or damaged frames, casement window replacement experts in Houston can restore windows to their original condition. Casement window maintenance is crucial for prolonging the lifespan of these windows, and regular upkeep can prevent costly replacements in the future. Affordable casement windows. Houston are accessible through various casement window suppliers. These suppliers offer a wide range of casement window options, from budget-friendly to high-end designs. Casement window prices in Houston vary depending on the materials and features selected, but there are options to suit every budget. Casement window reviews can provide valuable insights into the best brands and models available in the Houston area. Casement window replacement in Houston is a straightforward process with the help of experienced casement window contractors. Whether replacing outdated windows or upgrading to more energy-efficient models, casement window replacement can enhance both the appearance and functionality of a home. Casement window designs in Houston are diverse, offering homeowners the flexibility to choose from traditional to contemporary styles. Casement window features in Houston include advanced locking mechanisms and durable materials that ensure security and longevity. Casement window hardware is an essential component, and selecting high-quality hardware can enhance the overall performance of the windows. Casement window materials in Houston range from classic wood to modern aluminum and vinyl, each offering unique benefits and aesthetic appeal. Custom casement windows. Houston provide homeowners with the opportunity to create a personalized look that complements their home's architecture. Casement window designs can be tailored to fit specific dimensions and styles, ensuring a perfect fit and finish. Casement window benefits in Houston include improved ventilation, unobstructed views, and increased natural light, making them a popular choice for many residents. Casement window suppliers in Houston offer a wide selection of casement window brands, each known for their quality and durability. Casement window reviews can help homeowners make informed decisions by highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of different brands. Casement window prices in Houston are competitive, and with the right supplier, homeowners can find the perfect windows to meet their needs and budget.